Today, we're diving deep into the world of productivity hacks. We'll explore over 25 different techniques to help you conquer your goals and get things done. From time management tricks to focus boosters, we've got you covered. So buckle up and get ready to supercharge your productivity. The 5-second rule. The 5-second rule is a simple technique to help you avoid procrastination. Also, the great way to combat procrastination. The moment you feel the urge to do something productive, like getting out of bed, you start counting backward from 5 to 1. Once you reach 1, immediately action. Rule of 72. Avoid making important choices when you're hungry, angry, tired, or lonely. Take some time to cool down, like waiting 24 hours or a few days, to make clearer decisions and reduce stress. The 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule states that if a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, you should do it immediately. This can help you feel more accomplished and in control of your workload. Ask who, not how. When we have a task or a new idea, we automatically rush to how can I do this for new tasks. Instead, ask who can do this. It saves time, uses others' expertise, and lets you focus on your strengths. Example, presentation needed? Don't ask how do I design it. Ask who on the team can design it. Biological prime time. Biological prime time refers to identifying the time of day when you are most energized and productive and doing your most important task during that time. Eat the frog first. Eat the frog is a method where you tackle the most significant and challenging task first thing in the morning. This jumpstarts your day with a win and frees you to focus on the rest with a clear mind. Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique says that we lose focus on average after 25 minutes. That's why you should work on one task for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break to recharge. Repeat this cycle for 4 times and then take a 30 minutes long break, then repeat the cycle again. 25 minutes work, 5 minutes rest. Outcome visualization. See it, achieve it, don't just grind away. Take time to visualize your goals achieved. Imagine the feeling of success. This technique helps in maintaining motivation and clarity about what you're working towards. The Feynman Technique. Are you struggling to learn something? Don't just reread. Imagine explaining it to someone else, like a friend or a child. This forces you to break it down and truly grasp the core ideas. Respect your future self. Make choices that your future self will thank you for. Make choices that will benefit you down the line, not just give you a quick fix today. Ask yourself, will this help me reach my goals? If not, maybe skip it. Plan your weeks. Before the week begins, plan how you will use your 168 hours. Ensure that your plan aligns with your long-term goals and priorities. Carry a notebook to capture ideas and free your mind. Be flexible, life throws curveballs. Parkinson's Law. Parkinson's Law states that work expands to fill the time available for its completion. If you give yourself 4 hours to complete a task, it'll take 4 hours. If you give yourself a full day, it'll take a full day. Set shorter deadlines to increase productivity. By giving yourself less time, you force yourself to focus and avoid distractions. This way, you get more done in less time. Warren Buffett Strategy. Often referred to as 25-5 rule, write down your top 25 career goals, then circle the top 5 and focus only on them. By focusing on just those 5, you'll achieve maximum impact, just like the investing legend himself. Theme your days. Theming your days simply means focusing on one activity each day and nothing else. For example, doing all administrative tasks on Mondays or meeting only clients on Fridays. This lets you deep dive into tasks and maximize productivity. The Habit Stacking Method. Develop new habits by stacking them onto existing habits. For example, after brushing your teeth, existing habit, immediately do a new habit you want to form. This makes it easier to build new routines. The 12-week year rule. According to 12-week year rule, crush it in quarters, forget year-long plans. Set 12-week goals to achieve your yearly dreams. This creates urgency, boosts focus, and gets things done faster. Even if you miss one cycle, you have 3 more shots at success. Procrastination is wisdom. Pay attention to the tasks or goals you procrastinate the most. Procrastination can sometimes be a hidden message from your inner wisdom. Instead of feeling guilty about putting things off, try asking who can help me with this. This way, you delegate tasks, utilize other skills, and focus on what you do best. Don't touch it twice. This rule states that once you start a task, you should complete it and not leave it halfway. Starting and stopping a task can increase the completion time by 5 times. This rule is actually about efficiency, not necessarily completing a task in one go. The 90-91 rule. Conquer your goals with the 90-91 rule. Focus, not fluster. Spend the first 90 minutes each day, for 90 days, on your one most important goal. This blasts past procrastination and gets you crushing it during your peak productivity time. The 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule says that 80% of your results come from 20% of your activities. Not all tasks are created equal. The rule says 20% of your efforts will deliver 80% of the results. Don't get lost in a to-do list. Identify those 2 tasks and focus on them. Time auditing. Time auditing involves keeping a detailed record of your daily activities. This method helps you understand how you spend your time and identify areas where you can improve efficiency. Batch processing. Batch processing means grouping similar tasks and doing them together. Multitasking is a myth. Batch similar tasks together. This way, you only go through the setup process once, saving time and boosting focus. Digital detox. Periodically disconnect from digital devices to reduce distractions and mental clutter. Like putting your phone down at dinner, a digital detox is a break to refresh your focus. You'll be more on top of things when you get back online. Work in blocks. Manage your day by dividing it into 3 parts. Block number 1, strategic block. Spend at least 3 hours on the most important tasks without interruptions. Block number 2, buffer block for small tasks like emails or calls. Block number 3, take a break to refresh and come back strong. Salami slice method. This method involves breaking down overwhelming tasks into smaller slices and then committing to work on only one slice. Once you complete one slice, you will often be motivated to do more. This technique is especially great for tasks that you procrastinate on. We hope you found these productivity hacks helpful. Remember, the key is to find what works best for you. Experiment with different techniques and see what makes you tick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content to help you win the day.